Last thing before we go tonight, we have two satellite photos of Iowa, one taken before Monday of this week and the other after Monday. We'll look at the combination again. Here's Iowa before and then after what happened on Monday, and we have highlighted for you the areas that have turned a different color green. Those are crops that have been blown down to the ground, miles and miles of them, in the catastrophic wind event that hit on Monday that is called a derecho. It moved across the Midwest at highway speeds with winds up to and over 100 miles an hour at times. Straight line winds at hurricane and tornado force. They scarred the earth, indeed visible from space, and left behind a ton of damage. We are just now learning and tallying up the loss to American farming. And Dave Malkoff of the Weather Channel made his way to an Iowa corn farm.
Crop after crop. It's all been, to coin a phrase, 2020'd.
2020 is going to be like a four-letter word, I'm afraid.
Yeah. Lance Lillibridge is with the Iowa Corn Growers Association. Early estimates put this loss at around 10 million acres. That is well over 1 billion bushels of corn. So if a corn farmer can sell a bushel for about $3.40...
Easy math. 1 billion times 3.4 is $3.4 billion.
$3.4
in the
billion
heartland of America.
Lost in one 14-hour event.
Yeah. 20 minutes for us, but yeah, 14 hours as it made its way across, you bet.
Even before the pandemic, Midwest farmers were already struggling as the trade war with China took away a major market for their produce.
Well, then we hit COVID.
So you lost the Chinese market, then you lost the restaurants,
right?
Then you lost the meat packing plants.
Yep. And then we lost the ethanol market. One of the largest ethanol plants in the nation shut down about late spring.
So I just think of generational farmers, people whose grandfathers and great-grandfathers have farmed the same land, and that all ends today for some of them.
Yeah, that's definitely a potential that it's going to end today for them. Because of the precursors of this event, it's very possible that there's going to be a lot of them that are just going to be done. They're not going to be able to do it again. This is a huge crop laying flat on the ground. It's worth absolutely nothing. Cornfields
that just last week were well on their way to being worth billions will rot right here after a storm that came and went in 20 minutes.